so here's the injector for the O2 ETV1000, and this guy's clogged up. So I want to show you how we check to see if an injector is in op. So basically the first thing that you do is, get your injector kind of locked in somewhere, and then I always use just a hose to be tight on there. And then basically just fill this up with some kind of, this is carburetor cleaner. And you know that that's full now. Get over here and get our 9-volt battery, which is, I checked the voltage on, and it is full of voltage. And basically all you're doing is engaging this. So you can see it kind of just puddles out like that. And a proper injector, you'll see atomized fuel coming, way down here. So it's obviously clogged up, and usually what causes this is just sitting, obviously from ethanol, but there's two options. You clean this guy with the subsonic cleaner, which we already did once on this, and obviously it didn't take. They're going to try it one more time, since obviously there's not one here in the United States, so it would be a long wait to get one, so we're going to try it again. But that's what it looks like when it's bad. You just get a little trickle. So next I'm going to do the other injector. And this is the same injector part number and everything here. Go ahead and put that back in there. And then go ahead and set your, sorry about all the movement here. Go ahead and set your injector up again. And then we'll go ahead and fill this back up. Okay. And then we're going to click this guy and see what happens to. Yeah, and as you can see, this one's even worse. It's actually in op. And you can hear the clicking, so it's attempting to plunge, but it's that ethanol that's just kind of blocked the entire injector up. So that's what it looks like.